learn a little bit more Sicilian. I know I've been very busy. I haven't been posting much Sicilian words lately, but here we go. Today, I'm gonna give it a little twist. I'm gonna say a Sicilian proverb, and I'll let you know the meaning. So, today's Sicilian proverb is l'amore come tussi, un si può ammucciari. Ammucciari means to hide. So let's say it in English, means love is like a cough, you can't hide it. In Italian, we say l'amore è come la tosse, non si può nascondere. So, ammucciare means to hide. In Italian, we say nascondere. That's your proverb for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And stay tuned. Please subscribe. I'll be posting more proverbs and giving you all the explanation and definition. So, come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu, everybody.